Bye, bye, bye. I love it. I love it so, so much. It's just so pretty. Makes me happy when I see pink. Hey babes, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing another unboxing. I have two packages from Amazon, and what I noticed on the Amazon app or whatever, like on your orders, everything I ordered is pink. So it is a pink Amazon haul. I'm really excited. Let's get into it. Since this one right here is very hefty and I feel like it has the majority of the things, I'm going to open the little thin package first. I have my little handy dandy cloud box cutter. I also got this on Amazon. If you guys want to see like a list of my Amazon favorites, I do have an Amazon storefront. It'll be linked down below for you guys in the description box. I have everything from like books to like iPads to lash supplies to just like home stuff, phone cases that I bought. I believe I bought a new phone case. So let's see what is in this first one right here. The first thing that caught my eye is this screen protector. It is a paper feel screen protector that is for my iPad mini. I have her right here. So I hope this works pretty good. I see a lot of TikTokers that have like digital planners and things like that use a paper screen protector. So I hope this works. Stay tuned on my Instagram because that's where I keep y'all posted after these videos to see if that is a good screen protector. I'll let y'all know on my stories. Okay, there's two other things in here. This one says thank you and it says DMing. What is this? To be honest, I do not know. And what is this? Oh, okay, let's open these up first because these I already know what they are. These are paper straws. I got a different pack this time. So I use these bad boys. I cut them and then I cover like the mascara spoolie, the mascara side of, you know, your spoolies, and I give those to my guests. So I got some new ones. These are kind of like holographic. Let me take one out so you guys can see it. I do have another set on my can you see it? Is it like just focusing on my face? Let me see. I have a feeling that the camera is just trying to focus on my face, but it is a, what is it called? Holographic pink. I have a different set on my Amazon storefront. You guys should definitely get some paper straws, cut them, put them on the little mascara wand. It just looks a little bit more luxurious. And I think I have another set of mascara casings in the other one. So let's see what this is because DMing, thank you. I don't know what this is. What is this? Oh, I was just talking about these. Okay, so these bad boys, I usually give these to my guests. Can you see what they are? So they're mascara wands inside like these like little tubes. Let me take one out so I can show them to you. So it looks like this. It's a little mascara wand inside a tube. I usually give these to my guests when it's their first time, and I just let them know to replace the spoolie every time they come in. So every time I get done with a full set, I give them a new spoolie with a little paper straw covering this area. And most of my guests already have a little tube, so they'll just go in and replace it. I let them know, hey, you don't want this one to be there for like 6 months. You want to replace it every 2 to 3 weeks when you come in, so it can be nice and not dusty and like when you throw it in your purse or whatever. So these are really cool and fun. If you guys don't have any of these are fun little freebies. If your guest buys like a little aftercare packet, you can add it in there, or like your new full sets, you can just give them to them in their little aftercare package. It just makes the service feel more luxurious. It like, you know, you just want to brush your lashes throughout the day, and isn't it cute to have it like in this like little tube container? So that package was pretty fun. Let's see what is in this bigger one right here. I love those box cutters, guys. Ooh, I just have more spoolies. I get these right here that are pink, of course. I love pink, guys. So I have these like pink ones that have like glitter on the bottom. What else do I have going on here? What is this? Less but better. Oh, it's a new phone case. I'm telling you guys, everything I ordered is pink. If you guys have not seen the theme yet, I love pink. That just fell. So I got a new phone case. This one is like just baby pink. So cute. What is this? Oh, I got a little mini humidifier. I have been lucky enough that I've never needed a humidifier in my studio, but I have been telling you guys that this year is my year to expand, try new gadgets, try new products. And if you guys don't know who my friend Angelica is, I'll have her Instagram here. Go check her out. I talk about her all the time. She's the one that showed me how to do like little lash charms. She got me obsessed with them. She has like a little humidifier and she loves it. And I was like, let me buy one too. So I got one on Amazon. And if you guys didn't already know, it's pink. Look how cute it is. You just put in here distilled water or water. I need to read the instructions, and it throws out the steam, kind of like a mister, kind of like what I have back here, but that is an essential oil diffuser. This is a humidifier. So yeah, I'm gonna research, see how cool this is. See, again, follow me on Instagram to see if I recommend it 100%. Right now, I'm just like having a fun time buying gadgets to try out. The next thing is some lip applicators. Again, pink with glitter. They match my mascara wands. Look how cute they are together. Let me show you. Look how pretty. I'm telling you guys, this is a pink haul. And then last but not least, some dental bibs. I'm actually gonna go in there and buy some more again because I run out pretty fast. These are a 50 pack. What you use these for is head pads. If you guys seen my studio tour, I'll have it linked up here. You guys know that I ran out of dental bibs and they were not gonna get here in time. So I just decided to use puppy pads, cut them, and you can use that as a headrest, head pad, whatever you call it. You can add, you know, little essential oils. That's where you put the lash graveyard. It's just much more sanitary. I've seen also people use these as SMAs. If you don't know what an SMA is, it's a sanitized maintenance area. I'm not sure if estheticians were trained to do that or taught to do that, but I am a licensed cosmetologist, if you guys do not know. So when I went to beauty school, we always got taught to do an SMA. That is where you put a paper towel down and you have only clean implement on top. And let's say you're using scissors and you place it down on your SMA. When you're done with your guest, you just pick everything up, clean, disinfect, and get a brand new SMA. You get what I'm saying? So people use this as well as an SMA. I use tissues. I just place it down, put my clean tweezers on there, put my mascara wand, put anything I'm going to use on top, and when I'm done with my guest, I'll throw that tissue away, sanitize, disinfect, give away my mascara wand, do what I gotta do, and we're clean, sanitized, eh? So I think this case is not for my phone. The little, like, you know, volume on off is like, I don't know, it's not on there. And then the camera section too, I don't know if you guys can see there, but it's like way off. And then the power button also is not here. That's like really weird. I think I'm gonna have to return it. I'm pretty sure when I bought it, I was like, is it for my phone? And I went on settings and I looked it up. I looked on Amazon, but I guess it's still not the right one for my phone. Okay, that is sad. But other than that, the only thing that I have to test out is the screen protector, the humidifier, but everything else is a go. So if you guys want to purchase anything that I got today, look in the description box down below. You'll find my Amazon storefront where I add all my favorite Amazon products, Lash products, everything that I get on Amazon, I add it on there. If you guys want to see if these products work and stuff like that, follow me on Instagram. I go live every Wednesday, so tomorrow I will be live. You can ask me live questions, just go and chit chat with me over there. If you guys have any questions for me, leave it in the comments down below. If you want to see any specific video from me, leave it in the comments section down below. But with that being said, don't forget to share this video with a lash friend. Let's share the lash love. If they love pink, share this video because I love pink. We can love pink together. I love following people on TikTok that love pink things too, because I'm like, bye. I love it. I love it so much. It's just so pretty. Makes me happy when I see pink. But if you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down so I can know. Subscribe down below and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. And until then, bye my loves. My outro is getting old. I need to get better at it. But if you want to subscribe quicker, click my face that just popped up right here and you're subscribed to my channel. And if you want to watch 2 other of my videos, I think the face is over here, you can click them right here. I love you.